Hey everybody, here are two example matrix multiplication problems to help make sure that you know what's going on. Okay, so the first thing we do is we figure out the dimensions. We're multiplying a 2 by 2 times a 2 by 2 matrix. Since the interior dimensions are the same, we know this is okay. The exterior dimensions give us the dimensions of our answer matrix, 2 rows and 2 columns. So I've already set that up here. Okay, so I'm going to multiply across rows and down columns. So across the top row and down the left column in order to get the top left blank. So that's going to be 3 times 6 plus negative 4 times 1. Or 18 minus 4, which is 14. All right, to get the top right answer blank, I'm going to do the top row times the right column. 3 times 7 plus negative 4 times 0, or 21 plus 0. We'll go a little bit faster through the bottom left and bottom right. The bottom left is negative 12 plus 5, which is negative 7. And the bottom right is negative 14, which is negative 2 times 7, plus 0, which is negative 14. Not too bad. All right, on to the next example. So I want you to pause the video and see if you can figure out how to see if this works and how to set up your answer blank. Okay. Did you pause the video? All right. So this is a 2-row, 3-column matrix. If you're struggling with that, think about first how many rows there are. 2 different rows, then how many columns there are. 3 different columns. All right, our second matrix here is a 3 by 3 matrix. So yes, that is possible. They have the same interior dimensions, and we're going to get a 2-row, 3-column matrix as our result. So in the beginning, I'm going to suggest that you actually write out what a 2-row, 3-column answer matrix looks like. Okay, I want you to stop the video and see if you can just find the top left entry in our answer matrix. So top left. All right, hopefully you thought about that. That's going to be found by doing the top row and the left column. So 1 times 1 plus 5 times negative 2 plus 7 times negative 3. 1 minus 10 minus 21, which I think is negative 30. So the next one I would call the top middle. That still sounds pretty natural. So I'm still pretty comfortable calling that the top middle. When we get to middle, sometimes that phraseology gets a little awkward, but hopefully you'll figure that out. So the top middle is going to be 1 times 3 plus 5 times 4 plus 7 times 4. Or 3 plus 20 plus 28, which I think is 51. Okay, now pause the video, see if you can finish this on your own. And here I go. The top right is 1 plus 10 minus 49. I got to be careful with my math here. I think that's negative 38. Let me know in the comments if I've got a mistake. Okay, so that's our top row. And for our bottom row, I've got -4 minus 6 minus 0, or -10, -12 plus 12 plus 0, which is 0, and -4 plus 6 plus 0, which is 2. We really like zeros. All right, there is our answer. Hope that helps.